Hi you guys, so I want to share my haul of my Tim Holtz Sizzix alteration dies. I've had them for about a week and a half now, and I've been playing around with them, and I just noticed I didn't make a video to show you guys the dies, and I know you've seen a lot of these videos, but I want to share mine. I'm really happy that I received them, and I just placed an order for the other half of them, so I placed 2 orders. I didn't get them all together. I should have, but I didn't. But anyway, here is the heart and wings. I want to share that one with you. And it's so pretty. And I think this is 2 parts to it. So that's that one. And then I picked up the ornamental, which is so adorable. And I also picked up this little keyhole die. Little die that makes a keyhole, which is really cute. And I picked up the Fanciful Flight. Isn't that cute? This is beautiful. And I also ordered the book, the Compendium of Curiosities book. I have it right here. And in the book, he has, Tim, go ahead, and he makes this really beautiful piece using this and using stickles, and I want to try that out anyway. And I went ahead and I got the book as well, and here you go. It says Yvette Be Curious, and he signed it, so that's pretty cool. I'm really happy that I got that. And then let's see, this is the hanging sign, really cute. And this one is the hardware findings. Isn't that cute, you guys? And then I also purchased the Baroque, and I purchased the die that makes the 3 little holes as well. So it's really awesome. And this is the way it looks in the back. You can see that there. And then I purchased the Gadget Gears. I also got the Regal Crest, and I haven't played with these, but I can't wait to play with these later. This is the Tattered Florals. I definitely want to try out all the flowers with these. And I picked up the Caged Bird, and this is so pretty, you guys. Here's an example of one that I cut out, and I was distressing it. You see that? Pretty cool. I like that. And then I also picked up a few more dies, and oh wait, let me show you. This one is the Plaque and Postage, and this is the one on the edge ones, and I only ordered one of these. The rest are coming in, along with the ticket one and the alphabet, so the marketplace alphabet. And then I also picked up, and this is more Sizzix. This is not Tim Holtz though, but this is the Super Crescent. This is a tag. Isn't this cute? You can never have enough tags. It's really awesome. And I also picked up tags number 3. And I also picked up Super Scallop Crescent. Really pretty. And let me show you. This is the example that comes in the box, and this is a piece of chipboard that I cut out, and it's so cute. So that is my haul. I just wanted to share that with you guys, and I'm off to go play. Talk to you guys later. Bye.